12 best foods that will help you sleep better instantly. Getting good sleep is incredibly important for your overall health. It may reduce your risk of developing certain chronic illnesses, keep your brain healthy, and boost your immune system. It's generally recommended that you get between 7 and 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, though many people struggle to get enough. There are many strategies you can use to promote good sleep, including making changes to your diet, as some foods and drinks have sleep-promoting properties. Here are the 12 best foods you can have before bed to enhance your quality of sleep. 1. Almonds. Almonds are a source of melatonin and the sleep-enhancing mineral magnesium, two properties that may make them a great food to eat before bed. If you want to eat almonds before bed to determine if they affect your sleep quality, a 1 ounce, 28 gram, serving, or about a handful, should be adequate. 2. Turkey. Turkey is delicious and nutritious. Turkey may be a great food to eat before bed due to its high amounts of protein and tryptophan, both of which may induce tiredness. 3. Eggs. Eggs are also a good source of tryptophan. Eat a hard-boiled egg alongside a cup of tea with honey to get your sweet dreams started. 4. Grapes. Grapes are an example of a fruit that contains naturally occurring melatonin, the chemical promoting restful sleep. Keep some grapes in your fridge for a cool snack through the summer. And by grapes, we do mean the fruit form. Contrary to popular belief, wine does not help you sleep. 5. Oats. Not just a breakfast food, a bowl of oats or an oatmeal cookie is a perfect evening snack. As well as helping you feel full with their carbohydrates, oats are another natural source of melatonin. 6. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a popular herbal tea that may offer a variety of health benefits. Chamomile tea contains antioxidants that may promote sleepiness, and drinking it has been shown to improve overall sleep quality. Those who drank chamomile tea also had fewer symptoms of depression, which is commonly associated with sleep problems. Drinking chamomile tea before going to bed is certainly worth trying if you want to improve the quality of your sleep. 7. Kiwi. Kiwis are a low-calorie and very nutritious fruit. Kiwis are rich in serotonin and antioxidants, both of which may improve sleep quality when eaten before bed. Furthermore, eating kiwis may benefit your digestive health, reduce inflammation, and lower your cholesterol. These effects are due to the high amounts of fiber and carotenoid antioxidants that they provide. It's also been suggested that the anti-inflammatory antioxidants in kiwis, such as vitamin C and carotenoids, may be partly responsible for their sleep-promoting effects. More scientific evidence is needed to determine the effects that kiwis may have in improving sleep. Nevertheless, eating 1 to 2 medium kiwis before bed may help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. 8. Tart cherries. Tart cherry juice has some impressive health benefits. Cherries are rich in 4 different sleep-regulating compounds: melatonin, tryptophan, potassium, and serotonin. Researchers speculate that antioxidants called polyphenols in tart cherries may also influence sleep regulation. In a 2018 review on the health benefits of cherries, the authors found a positive correlation between improved sleep and cherry consumption. The researchers also concluded that the anti-inflammatory properties of cherries might help reduce pain after strenuous exercise and improve cognitive function. Tart cherries also make a good snack before bed because they are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin E. 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a great source of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which have properties that may improve the quality of your sleep. 10. Walnuts. Walnuts have a few properties that may promote better sleep. For instance, they are a great source of melatonin and healthy fats. Walnuts are a popular type of tree nut. 11. Lettuce. Lettuce and lettuce seed oil may help treat insomnia and promote a good night's sleep. Some people claim that lettuce has a mild sedative hypnotic effect. Researchers believe that most of lettuce's sedative effects are due to the plant's N-butanol fraction, specifically in a compound called lactucin. In a 2013 study, mice that received 10-butanol fraction preparations experienced an increase in sleep duration and a decrease in sleep latency, or the time it takes to fall asleep. In a 2017 study, researchers concluded that lettuce not only increased sleep duration in mice but that it also protected cells against inflammation and damage resulting from stress during sleep disturbances. 12. White rice. White rice is a grain that's widely consumed as a staple food in many countries. The major difference between white and brown rice is that white rice has had its bran and germ removed. This makes it lower in fiber, nutrients, and antioxidants. Nevertheless, white rice still contains a decent amount of a few vitamins and minerals. A 4 ounce, 79 gram, serving of white rice provides 19% of your daily needs for folate. It also provides 21% of the daily thiamine needs for men and 22% of the daily thiamine needs for women. A 4 ounce, 79 gram, serving of long grain white rice contains 13% of your DV for manganese. White rice is high in carbs, providing 22 grams in a 4 ounce, 79 gram, serving. Its carb content and lack of fiber contribute to its high glycemic index, GI. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food increases your blood sugar. It's been suggested that eating foods with a high GI, such as white rice, at least 1 hour before bed may help improve sleep quality. One study compared the sleep habits of 1,848 people based on their intake of rice, bread, or noodles. Higher rice intake was associated with better sleep than bread or noodles, including longer sleep duration. Despite the potential role that eating white rice may have in promoting sleep, it's best consumed in moderation due to its comparative low amounts of fiber and nutrients. Tips. Getting enough sleep is very important for your health. Several foods and drinks may help. This is because they contain sleep-regulating hormones and brain chemicals, such as melatonin and serotonin. Some foods and drinks contain high amounts of specific antioxidants and nutrients, such as magnesium and melatonin, that are known to enhance sleep by helping you fall asleep faster or stay asleep longer. To reap the benefits of sleep-enhancing foods and drinks, it may be best to consume them 2 to 3 hours before bed. Eating immediately before going to sleep may cause digestive issues, such as acid reflux. Overall, more research is necessary to conclude the specific role that foods and drinks have in promoting sleep, but their known effects are very promising.